Welcome back to my channel. Today we're continuing on with our high protein meal prep series by making these spicy chicken burrito bowls. This is probably my husband's favorite recipe and it's super easy to make. Let's go. Here's a quick look at the ingredients we'll be using today. First thing we do is get that rice started. We're gonna go ahead and prep the chicken pieces, add the seasonings, give it a really good mix, and then transfer to a hot frying pan. When the rice only has about 3 minutes of cooking time left, we're gonna mix in the black beans and the corn. Keep it covered and let it finish cooking with the rice. Now it's time to assemble. So I'm going to be adding some 0% Greek yogurt. You could do sour cream instead. I'm also adding some salsa here, and I'll be topping it with this lime cilantro crema. This is totally optional. Alternatively, you could add avocado and lime juice and fresh cilantro. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this healthy high protein recipe, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.